Hello, this is David. I'll show you my other stream of income. I have Nexon. I put my coins over here to get interest. And I put shading 43. I get 6% every day. As you can see here, interest a loan and interest. Okay, welcome. Now you can get a loan from here, but another day I'm gonna explain everything. But right now, this one I only have here 320 was in Bitcoin, and I have here this dollar very passive income. Though they pay me, they give you 6% for your Bitcoin and Ethereum. And every month they give interest. This is my two passive income. And show you. Report September interest. These are the coins that you can put in here. So this account and this account I have for passive income, very passive income. It's not a lot, but it's safe. But everything is not safe in crypto world. Okay. Next day I will talk about each platform, how you can make money. Yes, lend your coins to these two platforms, and Nexon and Lo-Fi. Okay, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up or leave a message, and thank you for watching. Have a good night. Bye.